Okay, today I'm going to show you how to build a blog in 12 easy steps. So the first thing we need to do is to go to godaddy.com and we need to put in our domain name and see if it's available. So we put in a friendly panda, and as you can see, it's available. So what we do is we press select, and what happens is that's put into our cart. We go through to the cart and we continue here, and basically what we do is we you can see that a friendly panda is $17.98 at the moment, and you can have it for any term that you want, but I'm going to leave it here for 2 years, and then proceed to checkout. Okay, proceed to checkout and buy the domain name. So the next thing that we're going to have to do is we need to go and get our hosting. So we go to HostGator, which is our choice, and this demonstration will be based around on this, and as you can see, it's $3.95 per month. HostGator does run a number of promotions during the year, so you just click on get started now and go and buy your web hosting. Okay, and once we've bought the web hosting, we will then log into our account and we will go to the control panel, which is shown here. Okay, the next thing we need to do is we need to set up what's called the name servers. So what we will do is we will go into our server info, okay, and we will copy server number 1 and server number 2, and what we will do with this is we need to put both of these into our GoDaddy account. So let's log into our GoDaddy account and we click on manage my domains here, and then what we do is we find our domain that we've just bought, and here we have, in this example, the friendlypanda.com. We need to now change these name servers here, so we click on manage and we click on edit name servers, and we put in the 2 copied server addresses here, okay, and we click OK, and then we click save. We go back to our HostGator control panel, and what we now need to do is we now need to set up an add-on domain. Okay, and on this add-on domain we need to put in the domain name, and the rest will be pre-filled for you. We click on add domain, and then we let it work away, and there we go. We have the add-on domain has been created here. Okay, so what we now do is we need to go back to our control panel. Okay, the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to install WordPress. So click on WordPress installer. Okay, we find our domain, thefriendlypanda.com, and we click install. We put in our blog title. In this case, we're just going to call it The Friendly Panda. Okay, put in your admin username, your first name, your last name, and your admin email. Okay, and let me just type those in. It's good to have the admin user and first name and last name totally different for security reasons. And let me just put in this email, and then I'm going to click on the terms of service. I'm going to check that and click on install now. This will now go away and import all of the WordPress files. There we go. So installation is complete. We have the username and password here for the friendlypanda.com. Okay, and if we now go to the Friendly Panda website, okay, we can see that it says website coming soon. So what we need to do is we need to log into this. Okay, so click on admin login and then use your username and password and click login, and we are inside WordPress. This is the dashboard of your blog. Okay, we can see here that the website is currently displaying coming soon, so we click here so that we can launch the site. Okay, congratulations, your site is now live, and we can click here to view it, and here is your blog. This is your blog in its most basic form. Okay, so now let's go and titivate it a bit. Let's go back to the dashboard. Okay, and let's put in a header. So what we are going to do is we are going to go down to settings, appearance, and then we go down to header. We click on header. Okay, and we come here. We need to add an image for the header, so we click on add new image, and then we click on select file here, and we go and find our image on our computer. Here it is. This is the image that we're using. It's now uploaded to the media library. Let's click select and crop, and then we've got a little window here which shows you the header size. So we pull it down, that will do, and there we go. We've actually put on the header now. Okay, so there's your panda. We need to save and publish now. Click save and publish at the top. And let's have a look at setting up this front page as well. Okay, at the moment it just says hello world, welcome to WordPress. Let's go and set it up. So we now go to, okay, we go to pages, and we've got a sample page here on this new install. So we press edit, and then what we're going to do is we're going to put in a new title. Let's call it The Panda. Okay, and then we're going to delete all of this text here because this is just it's text that we don't need, and let's put in our text. There you go. I've just copied something off the website just to demonstrate this. Okay, we click update, and then what we'll do is, if you notice, it says here published, and the visibility is public. Okay, and that the page has been updated. Okay, always check for the updated message. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go and have a look. We can see here that although we've put in a page, it's not yet showing. We have to do one more thing. We have to tell WordPress what we want on our front page. Okay, so we go back to the dashboard, and let's go down to settings, reading, and then click on the static page here, and on the front page we want the panda. Okay, we're going to save changes. Always save your changes. Okay, and now let's just go and have a look at our site now. Okay, and there we go. So we've got a header and we've got a front page. Okay, so now we can see under recent post it says hello world. Hello world is just a generic sample post that WordPress loads up. So let's go into posts, and posts is posts are what you make on your daily basis on your blog. Okay, so let's go to hello world, click on edit, and let's take out this text and put in the text that we want on our post. Okay, there we go. And let's put in a title that makes sense. So pandas in Chinese politics. Okay, there we go. And we'll have to remember to click update. and we just wait for the message that says that it's been updated. There we go. So let's go back to our site. So now we've got the front page, the header, and here under recent posts we've got pandas in Chinese politics. If we click on that, it goes to our page, which is pandas in Chinese politics. There we go. And if you now do another post, it'll appear under recent posts, etc, etc. See at the bottom they've got a chance to put comments in here, so you can write a post and get people commenting on it. And really, that is basically it. You know, that's your front page and a post. That's your blog set up in 12 easy steps, and it took just over 10 minutes.